Hi students, good morning. This is Vani Ravichandran. We are starting with lines and angles. I am sure you all must have done your prior knowledge test and also must have gone through the white paper which gives a basic understanding about the geometry of all the angles what you have read up till now. Acute angle, an angle which forms less than 90 degrees. A right angle, angle which is equal to 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle, angle which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Straight angle, angle which is equal to 180 degrees. What is a reflex angle? Angle which is greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees. And a complete angle, the angle which is equal to 360 degrees. What do we mean by adjacent angles? Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex O and a common arm OB, and their uncommon arms OA and OC lies on the either side of the common arm. Then angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus BOC. Now let's understand what do we mean by linear pair. Linear pair concept is also based on adjacent angles. If a ray OB stands on the line AC, then sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is, angle COB plus angle AOB is equal to 180, or angle 1 plus degrees. Let's start with theorem 6.1. The statement, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are. In the geometry, we follow the pattern of what is given to us, what are we supposed to prove, and the proof. And also we have to draw the figure. You all will draw the figure on the right side of your journal. Given, what is given? Lines AB and AC intersect at point O. What are you supposed to prove? When two lines intersect, they form four angles. That is, angle AOC should be equal to angle DOB, or angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. This we have to prove. How will you prove that? Proof. On the line AB, a ray OD stands. So you will write ray OD stands on line AB. You will apply linear pair axiom. Angle AOD plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degrees. Put this as equation 1. In the same way, on line CD, ray OA stands. So you will write ray OA stands on line CD. By linear pair axiom, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. Put this as equation 2. Since the right side of both the equations are equal, you will equate both the equations. You'll cut angle AOD from both the sides. What are you left with? Angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. The first one proved. Similarly, in the same way, you can prove angle AOD is equal to COB. This is again a very important property for lines and angles, which we will be using for solving the sums. Hence proved. Exercise 6.1. Go through question number 1. It says lines AB and CD intersect at O, and if angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degrees and angle BOD is 40 degrees, find BOE and reflex angle COE. Solution. Write first what is given. Lines ABCD intersect at O, and also angle AOC plus BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degrees. What are you supposed to find out? Angle BOE and reflex angle COE. For the figure. Now the solution. Since lines AB and CD intersect at point O, they form vertically opposite angles. That is, AOC and BOD are equal. It's given BOD is 40 degrees. So angle AOC also will be 40 degrees. Now, it's also given that AOC plus BOE is 70. This angle plus this angle is 70 degrees. It's given. This you found out as 40. So this will be 70 minus 40, 30 degrees. So angle BOE is now 30 degrees, right? Next, you have to find out angle COE. Sum of this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees, either linear pair or straight angle. That's what I wrote here. Is given angle AOC plus BOE is 70. So 70 degrees plus COE is 180. How will you find out COE? By taking the 70 degree to the right side. You will get angle COE as 110 degree. Understood? Now we have to find out reflex angle COE. That is nothing but 360 degree minus COE, which is 110. You got 150. Hence proved. You can do question number 2 in the class, and 3 and 4 you can do at home. I have given you the hint. For question number 3, you can apply linear pair axiom, and for question number 4, you can apply complete angle property because sum of two angles is given over there. Let's start with question number 5. Read the question. POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, and OS is having another ray lying between lines OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is half of angle QS minus POS. Write the given statement. What is given? POQ is a line, OR perpendicular to PQ, and ray OS lies between lines OP and OR. What are you supposed to prove? This you're supposed to prove. Write that. The figure on the right side of your journal. Now, the solution. POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to PQ. What happens? It will form 90 degree. That's what I wrote. Clear? Then, angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to 90 degree. I want to find out ROS, so I'll take this POS on the other side. So angle ROS is 90 degree minus POS. Put this as equation 1. You add angle ROS on both sides for equation 1. So now equation 1 becomes ROS plus ROS angles is equal to ROS plus 90 degree minus POS. You can see I have put a bracket over here. Why? You see in the figure. ROS plus ROQ. ROQ can be also written as ROP. I have just replaced that. You can see this over here. So ROS, this angle plus this angle is what? The complete angle QS. That is what I wrote here. This angle is now QS minus POS. Finally, I am getting, you can refer this. You should write this. Angle QS is ROQ plus ROS, and QS is nothing but 90 degree plus ROS. This we have replaced. Finally, I get my answer. ROS is half of angle QS minus POS. Understood? Hence proved. Now, question number 6. Go through the statement of the question. Angle XYZ is 64 degrees. XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle ZYP, angle XYQ, and reflex angle QYP. Here figure is not given. We have to draw the figure. First write the given statement. Given angle XYZ is 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P, and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. What are you supposed to find out? To find angle ZYP, XYZ and reflex angle QYP. Draw the figure. XY is produced to angle P and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. This is how you'll draw the figure. Here, give XYZ is 64 degrees and XY is produced to a point P. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. What is the meaning of bisect? It will bisect this into two equal halves, which is the property for angle bisector. That's what we have written. Angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. Okay. I'm applying linear pair axiom. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. That's what I wrote here. Angle XYZ is 64 degree, right? As these two angles are equal, here you can see by angle bisector property, I wrote 64 degree plus twice of QYP is 180. Okay, you replace this. Then you can find out QYP. Take this 64 degree to the other side. This is 116. Find out angle QYP, which is half of 116, 58 degree. QYP is 58 degree and also ZYQ is also 58 degree. You got these two angles, right? Now you have to find out angle XYQ. You know this angle. You know this angle. How will you find out this angle? Or you have been given this angle 64 degree. This is 58 degree. 64 plus 58, 122. You got this angle, right? Find out reflex QYP. This angle you found out as 64 degree. Reflex is 360 degrees minus this angle. 360 minus angle QYP. You got reflex QYP as 302.